Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this braid out. I am going to be using the Share Naturals curling cream. It's my first time using this product and I totally love it. This is how it looks. It's a curl cream and I bought it for around 500 shillings. Now the first thing you'll do is that you start off with freshly washed hair. I wash my hair in twists and that is why it's already twisted. So first of all, I am sectioning my hair. Wait, my hair is actually sectioned into twists, so I'm just putting the rest of the hair aside to be left with the part I want to work with, which is this front section. Next step is to unravel that twist, and as you can see it was a bit tangled because that's how I washed my hair. So I will unravel it and prepare it for applying the curl cream. Now this curl cream, you guys, this curl cream is amazing. It leaves my hair feeling so soft and so moisturized. It smells great and it has these amazing ingredients like black castor oil, palm kernel oil, argan oil, baobab oil, avocado oil, and shea butter, which are great ingredients for natural hair and for hair in general. So making sure that your hair is well taken care of. Yeah, that is how the bottle looks like. Now I'll go ahead and apply the product onto my strands. I'm so sorry guys about those edges, my friends. Let me tell you, I've struggled with edges on this my right side since I went natural, and I think my edges on that side got completely damaged. I've tried to regrow them to no avail. So that is the situation. Now guys, as you can see, the moment I applied that product on my hair started separating like the Red Sea, yani kando kwa kando. Yeah, this product is amazing. It's great. So I apply a generous amount because I want the curls to pop. And then I massage that product onto my strands so that my hair can soak all that goodness, all that juicy stuff. And guys, as you can see here, look at those curls already popping. Angalia, look. Nice. And that is me adjusting the camera. Mic 2, 1 check, 1 check. We are on set. We are good now. Continue. Once you feel like your product has soaked into your strands properly, now you can section your hair into 3 sections and do the braid, the matuta. Yeah, and it's very simple to do a braid. You just need to section your hair into 3 parts and then put your hair over each other to make a braid. You can see what I'm doing. Practice if you're not very good at this, and with time you will get it. Yeah, so I'll braid this hair to the end of my strands, and then at the end I will twirl it. I will apply the cream and just twist the ends of the hair around itself to make sure that the ends are also defined when I unravel this hairstyle. And this was a very long braid. My hair has retained so much length. I am so happy. The protective styling has been working. We thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Now when you're finished with the braid, do that to the rest of the hair. And ta-da! That is me completely finished. And as you can see, the braids are not conde, they're not thin, they are medium size because I'm lazy like that. This is the following day, no, 2 days later. If the cream is not dry, you have to make sure it's completely dry for the curls to pop, guys. Make sure it's completely dry. So I will just unravel the braid, unravel the whole of the head, and then separate the braids. I'll show you. Aya basi, this is the separation I was talking about. So you just grab the braid and then follow the natural place where it's separating and separate the strands pole pole too until you're done with the full head. And as you can see, guys, the curls are coming through. I love how tight these curls were. I haven't done a braid out which came out like this because I don't know. I was very surprised at the results. The ones that I do, the curls are more stuck together, if that makes sense. But this one, the hair was separating completely, like strands were separating like the Red Sea. Ah, mana. I love this product. My God, I loved the curls. I loved the curls. They were just obsessive. Beautiful. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a like, a comment, and I will see you on the next one. Until next time, you know what to do. Choose kindness and be safe. Bye.